Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix NVIDIA control panel display settings missing or not showing in Windows PC. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to go to search menu and type services. Click on open it. In services you just need to search for NVIDIA service. You just need to double click on it one by one. Startup tab set this to automatic, and if the service status is stopped, then you just need to start the service and select apply and OK for save changes. Do the same thing for other NVIDIA services listed over here. After doing it, just to close stuff here. Now go to search menu and type msconfig. Comes up system configuration, click on open it. You just need to go to services tab and check mark hide all Microsoft services. In this list, you just need to make sure every NVIDIA services are checked. After that, select apply and OK for save changes. Now you just need to restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 2 guys. Method 2, you just need to go to search menu and type device manager, click on open it. You just need to expand the display adapter section, and in here you can able to see your graphics card listed over here. If you not see your graphics card, then it not connected properly guys. So reconnect your GPU, and after that you need to update your graphics card driver. To do this, open up a GeForce Experience. If you not have GeForce Experience, then check my video description for the download link. Select the drivers tab and select check for updates. If you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your graphics card up to date guys. After that, just to close stuff here and your problem should be fixed guys. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.